Okay, resetters, I want to give you an air pollution tip because I know people that are following me are from all over the nation, but right now in the San Francisco Bay Area, we have a massive fire going on up in Chico. So just walking outside, there's so much pollution and so much smoke. And what a lot of people don't realize is when there's a fire and there's homes that are burning, you're getting all those chemicals are going up into the air. And so I see like a lot of my patients came in today wearing masks. That's a great idea, but I have an even better solution. And it's really a combination of Restore nasal spray and Cytodetox. So you have a mucosal membrane in your nose, and if it's got holes in it, just like a leaky gut, when you breathe these toxins in, they'll go up into the brain and get stored in the brain. So the name of the game, remember, with brain health is we want to minimize toxic load in there. So super simple, and I'm going to put the link in this post so you can go and order it if you're interested. Restore. It is like Restore for the gut. It will help with the nasal passage, creating a solid barrier so that you don't inhale any of the chemicals. You do 2 squirts in each nostril. I told a couple of families this morning I would do it several times throughout the day. Then Cytodetox. What I've done is I literally take this, I open it up, and I take a dropper full of Cyto. Just grab as much as you can grab in there. It only goes about halfway. And I put it in my Restore. So now you got Cyto in the Restore, and I would do 2 pumps in each nostril, and you're gonna start to, any chemical that gets stuck on the inside of your nasal area, that Cyto is it acts like a cage, and it gets in there, and it's gonna grab those chemicals before they can get into your brain, into your nervous system, okay? So I know not everybody lives in the Bay Area, but so many of my patients were concerned about this morning. I wanted to do a Facebook Live so you all could benefit from it. If you live in a city, this is a great thing to do. If you know you have a moldy house, great thing to do. And if there's a fire going on around you, I know down in Southern California there's a fire going too, start doing this 3 times a day until the fire's over. Okay? As always, I hope that helps.